Tito Jed. Tonight we're going to play Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Of course, we're going to continue to play Road to Mythic, and our rank is, I don't know if my rank, I don't know what my rank is. Wow, English. Sorry. Legend, hindi. Master 2 pa lang tayo sa bagong account. Excuse me po.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Meron na po tayo sa pong, ayan. Okay. Malapit na rin natin makuha si Leslie. Isang hugot na lang.
To be able to see everyone smile, I'll give them.
Actually, kanina natalo ako. Our first loss for today. Tonight pala. Kanina pa palang hapon yun. Duh. I just had my first loss.
Ready? Go!
Ito jet nyo natalo. Ang ating kakampi si ano? Dahil ano? Sino? Alpha? Dahil Aldous? Valir? At Karina. Gamer Yuri, Jane, Ana Clara, at Ford 2 at Revy. Marahil nagtataka kayo, but Mr. X? Si Mr. X ano yan? Inspiration yan kaya sa Mr. X na Resident Evil 2 remake. O si T001 or 8, whatever. Si Mr. X kasi, ano, kada lang beses mag-aatake pa rin. Yun ang mga specialty niya din sa bagay weapon ng Resident Evil 2 remake, Resident Evil Outbreak, Resident Evil 0 kasi meron naman siya mga katulad gaya ni Nemesis. Maybe you're asking, what is Resident Evil? Resident Evil is the most amazing, the greatest game of all time. One of my favorite, of course. Yeah. Init kasi sa bahay. Sa totoo lang. Nag-live shoutout sa aking 636 subscribers.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash
Teka,
them.
sinong core?
All troops deployed.
Oh shoot! I forgot, naka-core pala ako.
My gun only aims at the back.
Oh, never mind about that. We can do
That one
something
little
about
girl
that.
is gonna
Wow,
save someone
English,
this
we
time.
can do something about that. Pero sa totoo lang, pakiramdam ko matatalo ako dito.
First blood.
Nakalimutan sa sobrang busy ko sa pag-record eh,
Now
nakalimutan ko
I know better.
Palit
I'm
ng-
stronger.
emblem. Kinamitan. Ayos ah.
Enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Bullseye!
Hill pa more.
Don't underestimate me. Bullseye! Keep it up.
Ano, hindi pa rin? Pag may time? Hill din pag may time.
I would never back down.
Ito jet nyo, magaling gumawa ng paraan kahit na ibang aking ano. Ang aking yung tawag dito.
Ever thought about getting some training at Eruditio?
Top 28 ang sa kong account sa Mobile Legends. Ouch, mira ako ng pasawin na to.
An
Sarap nun. Tinira sa likod. Ang Mobile Legend, hindi lang ito basta laro. Ahasan din to. Alam niyo yun. Pagtatago sila sa likod. Mga desperadong manalo. Aray ko.
Slain.
Sana 21.
More firepower this time.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Goal ko ngayong if May ang makuha ang 1,000 subscribers. Pero malabo pa rin yun. Kasi minsan lang ako mag-live. Nung nakaraan kasi nagkasakit ako.
Free.
Kaya hindi ako nagla-live masyado.
Hey, stop right there.
Ang mga kalaban magagaling tumakbo. Pero magaling sumugod o loko. Tito Jed nyo nakapatay at last. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know.
My mom sacrificed her life for this thing. I won't let anything happen to it.
It's easy to say.
My shot always finds the target. Bullseye.
Okay.
Bullseye.
Mega kill. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
I'll bring you to justice. Bullseye.
Understood.
Huwag ninyong maliitin ang top 28 Laila. Hindi lang masasabi sa inyo.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bullseye.
You have slain an enemy.
Sweet revenge for killing me.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at that guy.
Partida, naka-retribution si Tito Jed nyo. I need somebody to hear,
Time to shine.
somebody to know.
Once little girl.
Aray ko nakuha.
Unstoppable.
It's okay. We are in the league. Lead
My
pala,
shot
sorry.
always finds the target.
Launch attack. Okay.
Let the shining star show you the way.
An enemy has been slain.
Tito Jed nyo, nakakabawi na.
Represents justice. When pointing at bad guys. Yeah, we can do it.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Basic instinct lang ang kailangan natin kasahan dito. Dahil retribution ang gamit natin.
Shut down.
Masyado ba akong cute para sa camera,
Little
Joe?
girl is gonna
Sabay
save someone
ganun.
this time. Bullseye! Target lock! I never back down. Target lock!
Or am I too cute for the camera? Sabay ganun.
Hey!
O masyado lang ang magaling.
Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain.
This made an air
Kinuha na naman ang kill ni Tito Jed.
represents justice. Pointing at bad guys.
An enemy has been slain.
Trabaho lang talaga bilang MM
An
as
enemy has
taga-assist.
been slain.
Everybody
Tita Jed nyo, asintado. Pagang. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know. Nakalimutan ko ang sunod doon.
Team destroyed the
I will give you a surprise attack, Yuzong.
attack. Understood. Launch attack.
Through science, Erdesio aims to create a better future for all.
Alright, 215. Yeah, I just told the what to call this, the turtle of the enemy of English. Yung halong Bisaya version ni Tito Jed. Bisaya ka man dong, pagaw! Of course, you will not get the chance to push because Tito Jed is great, the greatest ML player and the defending champion of MCL and the famous YouTuber. Yeah, I'm low at kill because I only assist my teammates. Assisting my teammates are the most important thing in this ML as an MM user. I don't think I can escape, huh? The great Tito Jed.
Only find your own path to becoming a hero.
Run, run, run!
Open
Oh shoot, wrong aim.
Now I know better. I'm stronger.
Double kill, triple kill, bagang. Oh sayang hindi maniac. Our time is 9:36 p.m. in the evening.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Enhanced. The gun represents
616 score.
My mom sacrificed her life for this city. I won't let anything happen to it.
I know you only have seconds to use that immortality.
Ever thought about getting some training at Erdesio? Keep it up until you're as brilliant as me.
Ouch! Binalagang bala ko sa akin. Sakit. Agoy. Agoy.
Father,
Okay lang yun.
back.
Tito Jed nyo pa rin na malakas. Main goal ko kaya ako nag-YouTube, siguro, yun nga, makakapag-aral ulit ako. Kaya dinusob ko ang pag-YouTube.
Mega kill.
Once na ma-reach ko ang 1 million,
That was a spur-of-the-moment
i-enroll ko ang sarili
decision.
ko. As a nursing student. Pangarap ko kasi mag-nurse.
Ally has been slain.
Yun ang dahilan ko bakit ako pumasok sa mundo ng YouTube. Kaya minsan ang daming nagpapas.
Right there.
Sa mga bashers ko sa YouTube, mainggit kayo. Joke.
My shop always finds the
Sabay
target.
ka nun. Wow,
Team
Duleng!
destroyed a turret. You have slain an enemy.
Maingit kayo.
I'm still warming up. We can do it.
Alright.
Eruditio's true power.
8 to 7. This even has 7. 7!
Killing spree. Your team destroyed a
This
turret.
Nate and Eruditio?
Pag YouTube, hindi lang yan. Basta pag YouTube.
Enemy has been slain.
Time to shine. Bullseye.
Waka 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 Arigato gozaimashita. That's for thank you very much. This is Tito Jed. This is the end of my video. And
Victory.
bye. Tito Jed nyo nag-MVP. Nakuha kung bakit kasi nag-double-double ako. Tsaka ako nang may mababang kill.